Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to block a user on the Roblox mobile app, updated for 2025. Whether you're dealing with someone who's bothering you in-game or just want to clean up your friends list, blocking is a simple way to take control of your experience and keep your playtime positive. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your phone or tablet. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen where you can see your recent games and friends. Now, if you already know the username of the person you want to block, tap the search icon. It looks like a little magnifying glass, and type in their name. If you've just played a game with them, you might also find them in your friends list or in the recent players section. Either way, you'll need to get to their profile. Once you've found the user, tap on their name to open their profile page. This is where you'll see their avatar, stats, and some basic info. Look at the top right or bottom of the profile, depending on your device, for 3 little dots. Those dots open up a menu with several options. Tap on them. From the menu that appears, you'll see the option to block user. Go ahead and tap that. Roblox will ask you to confirm your choice, so make sure you're blocking the right person. Once you confirm, you'll be all set. That user will no longer be able to message you, send you friend requests, or join your games. Plus, if you were friends before, they'll be removed from your friends list automatically. Blocking is a powerful tool, and it's completely private. The other user won't get a notification that you've blocked them, so you don't have to worry about awkward conversations or unwanted attention. If you ever change your mind, you can always unblock someone by going into your settings and finding the blocked users list. Remember, Roblox is all about having fun and staying safe. If someone is making your experience less enjoyable, don't hesitate to use the block feature. It's quick, easy, and helps you keep your gaming environment friendly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you take control of your Roblox journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming!